Some good defensive organizations.
Baby Rooney TV experience.
Some good defensive organizations. Dwamina driving forward, covering some distance. Dwamina to Albert. Albert trying to force his way through. But Farouk gets to Edu. Once again, O'Neal. Yeah. They've lost the ball again. Latif Abdul. Joseph Fablo. Believes this should be an infringement in favor of Adari Abdul Latif, the man who graduated from the University of Winneba with Bachelor of Science in Physical Education. He's had the opportunity to also officiate in some big games. In 2019, he was appointed by CAF to officiate a CAF Champions League game between Rivers United of Nigeria and Young Africans of Tanzania. And also in 2024, there was a Wafu Zombie under 17 game between Burkina Faso and Nigeria. It was Atari Abdul Latif who was once again in the center of affairs. It's a cooling break, and both teams are allowed to get some refreshment at the side. To the left side, Karela United still trying to find a space. Abdul Latif with that header once again. That was a brilliant play. From Abdul Rahman. This is Kotoko. And team. A smart Abdul Hamid. And team with a touch to Amidu. Abdul Hamid. Good pass. Looking for Dwamina. Dwamina into the box. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko gets the goal. That was some brilliant combination. And it's a decision to be taken.
He's been trying to put some strings together for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and the chance avails itself. Look at the power, look at the distance. It was a bit complicated, but it crosses the line. And Zinedine Zidane's goal against Italy, and that was a goal. No doubt about that.
Latif Atari